everyone. Right, okay, so I'm back with another video. This video today I'm going to put in my protein coffee that I have first thing in the morning. It is now, let me just show you, nearly 25 to 8. I'm going to have a protein coffee now. After I've had my protein coffee, I'll give it maybe an hour and a half and then I'll have protein porridge. Right, let me just show you exactly what I'm doing over here. So my baby makes an appearance again, and he is, or she for that matter, sorry, I keep saying he. So at first it's just coffee, and then I've got my scoop of protein to add to it. So let me just do that. Put this on. That'll now take forever, as it always does. Oh, pre-boiled, genius me. So I'll put my scoop of protein in. So, and then obviously just stir it up as much as possible. In other news, baby front news, last night for the first time I felt a bit of movement. So although Helen's been saying there's been kicking non-stop and constant why I can't feel it, last night for the first time I felt a kick. So obviously that was a bit of a big moment. Anything else really? No. I don't know if you can hear that, but we're now getting a bit of a whistle. Do you know what I always wonder? Where do I look here? Do I look at this? That part there? Yeah, I do, don't I? I'll go with that. Right, so there's my whistle. Turn that off. This is always ridiculously hot. You burn yourself on it, just like that. Don't ask why they made an all metal handle on a metal kettle, which you're obviously putting under the flame, without having some sort of protecting thing on it, but they did. So yeah, so if you don't have a tea towel handy, you'll always burn yourself. I think I've just poured it down a spoon as well, because the spoon's pretty hot. And this, this is the end product. I'm going to bring it to you because last time I tried to, sorry, I'm not going to bring it to you, I'm going to bring the camera over here. Because last time I tried to tilt the coffee forward to show you how it looked, poured it on the table. So this is how it looks. And there's the baby. Lovely. Right, so I'm back anyway, time to eat. I had me protein coffee this morning, about 7:30. We're now on, let me just show you. We're now on, what, 9:25. Time to put in my first bit of food. So I'm going to have oats, my protein oats, just standard cheap, like 80 pence or something like that for a bag of oats, really low fat, 2.2 grams of saturated 0.3, sugars 0.5, salt 0.01. So I'll have a cup of oats, just get that out now, and my one lucky mister cup for getting engaged. Obviously it's one lucky lady, but you know, one lucky mister makes her feel good about herself. Pour that in there like that. Okay, so that's a full cup. I'm not going to tip it and do what I've done with the coffee all over the floor, but full cup of oats, and then I'll clean that out in a second. I pre-boiled the kettle, didn't want to have the same situation as I had earlier, waiting around forever for it. Getting smart, you see, and then I'm just going to pour boiling water, no milk, just boiling water over the top of the oats until it literally just covers the oats. Right, porridge is ready. Looks good. Doesn't look good actually, I'm lying to you. Doesn't look good at all, couldn't look any plainer. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. How anyone ever says that looks good, I don't know, because it just looks boring, but hopefully we're going to make it taste good. So it now looks like that. A little bit better at least, just nearly dropped it all on the floor. I don't know whether you're like me and you're a freak and you will have noticed that something's changed. If you have, I'm not going to tell you straight away and spoil it because I know I wouldn't want it spoiled. But there's something different in the shot, I suppose you'd call it, which you can have a little look at if you want for a second. Like, I'm one of them people that I'll be watching a film and I'll notice if someone's drinking out of a red cup, I think it's in American Pie, and then they cut the scene and it's on to somebody else, and then he has a swig and it's a blue cup, and then he has another swig and he's back to a red cup, so it's obviously being a cut there. I notice things like that. I also notice, and leave a comment in the comments if there's anything that you've seen that you don't, where it isn't the case. But I notice in every single film, or the vast majority of films, they will mention the name title, so the name of the film in the movie itself. If you come across any films that don't have that in, by all means let me know, let me see for myself. But I challenge pretty much anybody to have a good look. I'm going to go with the protein in, just because, why not? I'm obviously going to make a mess now because there's a lot in here, but I'm sure I can tidy up afterwards. Right, once this is all mixed into a half decent standard, I'll bring the camera over and I'll show you. Right, we're stirred to a decent consistency, I'll say. Let me bring the camera over and show you. Right, doesn't look half as bad as it did earlier. Smells amazing, obviously because it's the chocolate protein and because it's got the peanut butter in. It tastes like Reese's, which if you like, which I do, makes eating healthy, I suppose, that bit easier, enjoying your food. Don't particularly like my food to be too bland, but obviously within reason a lot of the time you can't have particular sauces or whatever else. If you're still thinking about what's changed, whilst I was waiting for the oats to absorb the water, I got the rest of the shopping out from when I went, and I got my blueberries and whatever, and I put the bananas there. Okay, I didn't want it to look like, oh, it's two separate videos that I've thrown together or whatever, and people go, well, hold on, the bananas weren't there before and now they are. That's the reason why. Right, we're back. When I was on the bike, got caught in the rain, had to obviously get changed. Decided it is 1:45, let me just show you. 1:45, and I've decided that I'm going to go for the halloumi and sweet potato now, and then in a couple of hours before the gym I'll have me chicken with the couscous. Okay, so what I'm going to do, simple as, couldn't be any easier. Cut the top of the bag, put maybe, I don't know about that much, a bowlful's worth in there. Look at all the bits of risotto, spinach and peppers and stuff in there. Lovely. Okay, we are done. Appreciate it. It's not massive. If I'm being totally honest, and normally I would put more sweet potato in there, but I don't mind because I've got the couscous, which I have a full packet anyway, which should serve 2 people. I have that to myself, and I'll have either 1 or 1.5 chicken breasts with that, and I've still got to have that before I go to the gym. So it isn't massive, but feast your eyes. Anyone that can honestly tell me that that looks disgusting, in their opinion, I would have to call a liar. Chicken and couscous time. So it's literally, couldn't be any easier. Packet of couscous, I know you can get it fresh and you can put all your own ingredients in, you can put a stock in and whatever else. But considering there's only 1.5 gram of fat, which 0.5 is saturates, 3 grams of sugar isn't the best in the world, but everything's already in there. Serves 2 or serves me. That just goes straight in, like so. And then the same as I do with my porridge, pre-boiled this, because I'm not going to get caught out twice waiting round. Same as I do with my porridge, just pour it to maybe a centimetre over the top of the couscous, and then put a plate on top. So now I just need to give that 5 minutes or so. That'll cook through or absorb all the water, and in the meantime I get to do a Neil Buchanan Art Attack moment, and here's one I prepared earlier. Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah, man. Come on now. Strong, man. Come on. Come on now. Three more of them. Come on. 1, 2.
Bend this one over me. 2, 1, go. Strong, strong. Okay, so I'm back from the gym. Predominantly quads, to be honest with you, not so much legs. Did a little bit of hamstrings to warm up, but mostly quads, obviously as you've seen in the workout. I'm going to now cook my final meal of the night. Final meal is going to be protein pancakes. Obviously, I'll be using the same as what I used earlier, my coconut oil to cook with. I'm also going to use 1 banana and 2 large eggs. The large eggs, of course, are free range. So it's 2 free range eggs. I'm just going to go 1, 2, so that doesn't fall. Okay, and then it's literally just, let's see if I can pull this off. So it's just crack on the top, and then one hand like a chef, like so. There's one, and crack on the top, and whoa, there's 2, like so. And then it's 1 full banana, And of course, cheeky little sprinkle of cinnamon. And my scoop of, where have I put my scooper? Over here on the side. A scoop of protein. Just get it there. There we go. Oh, easy. And a scoop of protein. There we go. That's going to get all whizzed up. And that is it. So I don't know whether you can see the consistency in that there, but that's literally 2 whole eggs. Obviously the protein from that, there's roughly 7 grams of protein per full egg. There are some fats in it, but the fats are in the yolk where a lot of the protein is. Well, between 2 and 4 grams of the protein is, and 1 full banana. My scoop of protein, which as I explained all the macros to you earlier, and that is it. Tiny bit of cinnamon to add to the taste, and then I'm thinking, don't know how it's going to go down, but I picked this up before. This is Jordan's Skinny Sips, 0 calories, 0 sugar, 0 and everything, and that is a vanilla one. I've bought it more so to go in my coffees. And this cheeky little number is Miracle Matcha. It's a healthy mixing basically. So it's got, I don't know whether you can see at the top there, chia seeds, white tea matcha, goji berries and flax seeds. And then if you can see on the bottom, it's all jolly good. That'll probably get mixed in with natural yogurt, possibly a bit of protein if I haven't had too much protein that day, but normally just natural yogurt and a little bit of fruit as a snack later on in the evening. So I'm going to, that's all whizzed up now. I'm obviously going to go and have my shower because I'm sweating, and then as soon as I've had my shower I'll come down, make that on the in the pan like so, and then as soon as I'm done with that I'll obviously put a picture up to show you it. I even, don't know if you've noticed this, even set the mood there, a little bit of candlelight, you know, and that's me. Right.